my room. It's big. It's comfortable. But I don't know. The walls. This chair. Everything.
Move the bed.
Where?
How about under the window?
Put the hi-fi on the chest of drawers.
Put the chair in the corner.
I don't know.
Why don't you paint it?
Paint what?
Paint the room!
I don't know. I'm not very practical. I don't like painting. I'm always too busy. I don't really have time today. I have a lunch appointment at 1 o'clock. It's impossible.
Can we do it for you?
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Of course we're sure.
What about the colour?
Oh, I don't know. Something nice.
Now don't worry. You go out, enjoy your lunch, and leave it with us.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go and buy some paint. Matt, do you want to come?
Yeah.
Do you want to get dressed?
Oh, right.
There is a DIY store here.
Where?
Not on this road.
Ask someone.
Hang on, excuse me. Is there a DIY store near here?
Yes. Go straight on, turn left at the roundabout, go down the road, and it's on the right next to the supermarket.
Thank you.
How about this?
Black. There are some really nice colours here. Oh, look. This is lovely.
How much is it?
£16.49.
Gosh, that's expensive.
Hey, Matt! This is the same colour as your t-shirt. It's gorgeous. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
How much is it?
£11.99? How many do we want?
2. That's £23.98. £24. It's okay.
Now, are there any rollers?
There is some over there.
think?
It looks great.
I love it.
Looks interesting, but good. I like it.
Finished?
Yep. Thanks. I really like this colour.
Me too.
The room looks great. Here she is.
Hello? Hi, Helen. We're up here.
Can I go in?
Yep.
Welcome to your new bedroom.
Oh, Matt, your t-shirt.
What?
The colour. It's horrible. Ah! Next time, Helen, don't ask for help. Do it yourself.